English we speak.
From bbclearningenglish.com.
Hello, this is the English We Speak, and I'm Feifei.
And hello, I'm Rob.
Hey, Rob, watch this.
Yeah, very impressive, Feifei. But why are you singing and dancing?
Well, I booked a holiday in a lovely hotel with a fantastic swimming pool.
Right, and you're celebrating by singing and dancing. Very strange.
No, Rob, of course not. There's a problem. The swimming pool is closed for refurbishment, and I want to cancel my holiday, but the hotel won't let me.
Right. So you're just singing about it?
No, Neil told me to call the hotel again and make a song and dance about my reservation. So I'm practicing before I do.
Hold on, Feifei. Don't waste your time. What Neil means by to make a song and dance about it is to make lots of unnecessary fuss about it. Basically, to overreact.
Ah, got it. So, overreact. Yes, I can do that.
Well, go and make that phone call while we listen to some examples.
Oh, my boyfriend makes such a song and dance about doing the housework. But to be honest, it's not that hard.
Don't make a song and dance about it. I only asked you to move seats so I can see the screen.
I can't believe they lost your suitcase at the airport. You should make a song and dance about this and get a proper apology.
This is the English We Speak from BBC Learning English, and we're learning about the phrase to make a song and dance about something, which means to make a lot of unnecessary fuss about something. And Rob, that's what I did when I caught the hotel.
So you overreacted?
Yes,
You made lots of fuss? You made a scene?
I did. And guess what?
What?
They apologised and offered me a free holiday when the swimming pool has reopened and said I could bring a guest for free.
Brilliant! A free guest! So, when shall we go?
We, Rob? No, I'm taking my best friend Maria.
What? I'm not your best friend? All that time we've worked together, all the things I've given you.
Oh, calm down, Rob. Don't make a song and dance about it. I'll send you a postcard.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.
The English we speak.
From the BBC.